There's poop in there. Yeah, but it's all gone. Do it again.
Where are you?
Where's mommy? Where's mommy? There's your mommy. There's your mommy right here. That's your mommy. Yeah, but you're her mommy. You're a mom.
This mom.
Yeah, but you are her mom. Okay. She's like, wait, what? Yeah, it's a blender. Do you want to go sleep? No. Sounds scary. Can I hold you? Can I pick you up? Just for a hug? Oh, wow. Here we go. Oh, push again. Push again, Grandma.
Where are you?
That's Grandma, and that's Uncle Zane. Yeah. Do you know who Uncle Zane is? What? Oh, the lipstick? Yeah. Oh, do it again.
Mommy, where are you?
Mommy, where are you? You're her mommy.